So upon simplifying or performing simplification or factoring of expression, you can figure out what will be the applicable factor or applicable formula for the given differential equation. Para mas madali, let's try the example number 1 first. Yung pinakamadali muna. Of course, para minsanan, there are some cases that you really need to check kung exact ba siya or a non-exact differential equation. Dapat by now, you can already tell or you can already inspect that the given differential equation of first order is already exact or non-exact. Napaka-obvious naman tignan kung exact ba siya or non-exact, and even if it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Okay? So obviously, on this one, this is a non-exact. Kahit ano pang gawin mo, it's non-exact. Ang daming term dito, tapos ito, x lang. Okay? When we differentiate this in terms to x as a function of n, this is only a constant. Tama ba? Or a negative 1. But this one, this would remain as a variable in terms to y. So of course, this is now a non-exact differential problem. So with that case, first things first is for us to see if this formula carries some of this equation. How? We distribute. So distributing, that will be 2xy squared dx plus y dx minus x dy equals to 0. O somewhere on this simplification, merong something dito. Tama ba? Nasusundan. Merong something dito. So, paano natin gagawin yun? So, with that, mapapansin natin that these two terms, y dx minus x dy, is somewhat look like this one. Tama ba? Pero may kulang. Yes. Ano yung kulang? 1 over y squared. And that 1 over y squared is what we call your integrating factor by inspection. So this is requiring us to do equation 3. So for us to complete equation 3, we fill in this equation with an integrating factor of 1 over y squared. Tama ba? Okay? So therefore, substitute or distribute. So this will be cancel. So you'll have 2x dx plus y dx minus x dy over y squared equals to 0. This now becomes what? The direct differential of the term x over y. Okay? You have just performed inspection. Yun lang yun. Nasusundan. Okay? Continue. So I'll have 2x dx plus the derivative of x over y equals to 0. With that, we're ready to integrate. Integral. What's the integral of 2x dx? X squared kasi power over 2. Tama ba? Then cancel. So this will be x squared. What's the integral of d parenthesis x over y? Simply x over y. Equal to what? The arbitrary constant. To simplify further, we can multiply the entire expression by y. So I'll have x squared y plus x equals to dy. This will serve as your final answer. Nasusundan? Yes? How about number 2? So you have y parenthesis y cubed minus x plus x times y cubed plus x times dy equals to 0. Ano yung magiging applicable na inspection formula? Marami, actually. Dalawa yan. And immediately, you cannot immediately apply inspection kasi minsan, kailangan mo rin i-figure out kung ano yung necessary na integrating factor. Okay? Technically, itong ginawa natin dito na 1 over y squared makes the differential equation an exact differential equation. So upon multiplying 1 over y squared to this, we are able to make the differential equation a exact differential equation. Okay. Same goes to this one. So kung nagamit na natin integrating factor, obviously, revert back into the exact differential equation solution. So figure out ulit kung paano gagamitin yung exact. Okay? Okay. Now with this, again, we distribute. Y to the fourth dx minus xy dx plus xy cubed dy plus x squared dy equals to 0. Okay? Combine terms that is somewhat related to the 13 equations. Pag pinagsama natin. Ano yung pwede kong pagsamahin? That is y to the fourth dx plus xy cubed dy plus x squared dy minus xy dx equals to 0. On the first two term, I can factor y cubed, leaving me with y dx plus x dy. Meron ba doon sa 13 equation? That is product rule. Equation 1. Tama ba? Plus this one. Anong pwede kong i-factor? X x times x dy minus y dx equals 0. Meron bang somewhat related? That is equation 2. Tama ba? Equation 2. This one, I can now transform this as d times derivative of xy. But this one requires us to add over x squared. Tama ba? Therefore, I need to multiply the entire expression with 1 over x squared. Nasusundan. With that said, I now have x raised to negative 2, i-reciprocal ko na lang, times y cube of d times xy plus x of x dy minus y dx over x squared equals to 0. Obviously, this one uh, will become d of y over x. Tama ba? Yes? Equation 2. So I'll now have x negative 2y cubed dxy plus x times the derivative of y over x equals to 0. Can we integrate these two terms? Can we integrate? Not exactly. Because the base coefficient of the derivative xy should be the same as the derivative of xy. Ano ibig sabihin? This base coefficient should be the same as the expression of xy raised to the same exponent n times the derivative of xy for us to be able to perform power. Diba? Dapat parehas sila ng exponent. But, as you can see, hindi. Same goes to this one and this one. This should be the same as y over x raised to an exponent n times the derivative of y over x. Dapat same sila ng base coefficient. Same exponent, same base coefficient for you to integrate by power. Equal to 0. Hindi pwede. So, anong gagawin natin? Let's create the required integrating factor or derive the required integrating factor by multiplying the entire thing with an expression of x raised to k times y raised to n. Then, we will solve for the value of k and n. Substitute natin yung, distribute natin yan over the entire expression. Upon distributing, I'll now have x raised to k minus 2 times y raised to n plus 3 of dxy plus x raised to k plus 1 times y raised to n of d over y over x equals to 0. Okay? Sabi natin, the goal was for x and y to have the same exponent. Para parehas yung exponent nito, we need to come up with a two equation, two unknowns, solving for k and n. So, dapat equal. No? Dapat equal. Therefore, your first equation would tell us that k minus 2 is equal to n plus 3. Yes? Then, same goes to this one. K plus 1 should be equal to what? Hindi n. Negative n. Because we need an expression of y over x. Okay? Reciprocal. Nasusundan. Nasusundan. Okay? You have now equation 1 and equation 2. Solve for k and n. K minus 2 equal to n plus 3 of k plus 1 equal to negative n. You can subtract these two equations. So canceling out k. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3 equal to n minus negative n is 2n plus 3. Therefore, I have negative 6 of 2n over 2. N is negative 3. N is negative 3. Therefore, if n is negative 3, that will be k plus 1 equal to negative 3. K is equal to 3 minus 1 or k is equal to positive 2. Nasusundan. Okay? So, if n is negative 3 and k is positive 2, we substitute. Substitute nyo dito. Okay? Substitute. Okay? Substitute. So, that will be x raised to 2 minus 2, y raised to negative 3 plus 3 of dxy plus x raised to 2 plus 1 of y raised to negative 3 d times y over x equals 0. X raised to 2 minus 2, 1. Y raised to negative 3 plus 3, 1. Yes? So, this is now dxy. Tama ba? Yes? How about this one? X raised to positive 3 and y raised to negative 3. So, this will be x cubed over y cubed times d of y over x equals to 0. Yes, sir, sabi mo, dapat, so na yun, ganito siya, di ba? Y over x raised to the same exponent. Eh, hindi naman siya y over x, sir. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin natin? Ha? Balik pa rin ko. Reciprocal, then negative. Tama ba? Reciprocal, negative sign. Saan ba yun? So I now have dxy plus y over x raised to negative 3. Parehas na yan. Of dy over x equals to 0. Are we now ready to integrate? Yes. So integrate. What's the integral of dxy? xy. What's the integral of y over x raised to negative 3 with respect to y over x? This is y over x raised to negative 2 over negative 2 equal to the constant. So xy minus 1 over 2 y over x squared, or simplify xy minus x squared over 2y squared equals to c. Tama ba? Then we can multiply the entire expression by 2y squared. So I'll have 2xy cubed minus x squared equal to cy squared. Tama ba to? Nasaan yung 2? Ha? Saan napunta yung 2? Constant. Okay? Kasama pa rin naman siya ng constant. Okay? Nasundan. Okay? How about number 3? How about number 3? Try number 3. Okay, try nga number 3. X cubed y cubed plus 1 dx plus x to the 4th y squared dy equals to 0. So again, distribute. Tignan mo kung may kamukha siya dun sa 13. X cubed y cubed dx plus x to the 4th y squared dy equals to 0. Okay, paano yan? Combine, I'll have x cubed y cubed dx plus x to the 4th y squared dy plus dx equals to 0. Anong pwede kong extract? X cubed y squared. So I'll now have y dx plus x dy plus dx equals to 0. Tama ba? Yes? This is what? Equation 1, power formula. We can change this into the derivative of xy. So I'll now have x cubed y squared, derivative xy, plus dx. Do they have the same exponent? Can we integrate this? No. So anong gagawin natin? We apply or multiply an integrating factor that would give us similar exponent. Anong gagawin ko? Multiply by 1 over 1 over x. Obvious naman. So this will now be xy squared dxy plus dx over x equal to 0. Yes? Tama ba? Okay? So we can now integrate. Integrate. What's the integral? What's the integral? Power lang yan. Integrate with respect to x and y. You don't have to treat one other variable as a constant. So this is what? Xy cubed over 3 plus, ano to? Ln x equals to 3. Okay? We simplify further by multiplying the entire expression by 3. So I now have xy cubed plus 3 ln x equals to c. Or xy cubed plus ln x cubed equals to c. Okay? Pwede na yan. Or you could still simplify this as ln cx cubed equal to negative xy cubed. Then exponential. So I'll have cx cubed equal to e raised to negative xy cubed. Susundan. Susundan. Yes. How about this one? Number 4, 2t ds plus s of 2 s squared t. How about number 4? How about number 4? Again, we distribute muna para mas makita nyo na maayos. 2t ds plus 2s dt plus s cubed t dt equals to 0. We can extract what? Ano pwede kong extract? 2 times t ds plus s dt. plus s cubed t dt equal to 0. O, porket hindi na siya x and y, hindi mo na kayang inspect ha. What formula do I have to inspect? Equation number 1. That is power. So this will now be what? 2 of d times st. Tama ba? Plus s cubed t dt equal to 0. Can we integrate this one? S cubed t dt. Hindi. Hindi siya parehas nung ating reference variable dt. Anong gagawin natin? We multiply the entire thing by what? 1 over? 1 over? Dapat parehas din siya dito. S cubed t cubed. Tama ba? That's inspection. So this will now be 2 dst over st cubed plus what? dt over t squared equal to 0. Yes? Can we now integrate? Yes. Parehas na yung exponent, parehas na rin yung base variable. So integrate. What's the integral? Negative 1 over st squared. Nasaan yung 2? Nag-cancel, diba? Okay? Plus, how about this one? Minus 1 over t. Do I have to show that one? Tama. Nagets naman to kung bakit 1 over t. Power formula, t negative 2 plus 1, t raised to negative 1 over negative 1, and reciprocal. Yes? Equals to the constant. We need to remove the fraction by multiplying both sides by negative st squared. So negative st squared, this will be positive 1 minus I plus s squared t. Tama. Equal to c s squared t squared. Tama ba? This would be your final answer. Masusundan po. Yes? Malinaw? How about, para matapos ko na siya, next meeting is the, tawag na dito, formula. By formula. Number 5, y x to the 4th minus y squared dx plus x to the 4th plus y squared dy equals to 0. How about this one? Again, distribute muna. Then see if something looks familiar. Then introduce an integrating factor. Sabi ko nga, by instinct lang talaga to. Yung pangalawa, by formula. Kaso nga lang, mas mahaba yung magiging solution mo. Kasi nga, check mo talaga siya kung non-exact, exact, tapos solve for the required integrating factor, etc. For this one, we distribute, again, x to the 4th y dx minus y cubed dx plus x to the 5th dy plus xy squared dy equals to 0. We combine terms that is familiar. So x to the 4th y dx plus x to the 5th dy plus xy squared dy minus y cubed dx equals to 0. Ano nang pwede natin extract dito? X to the 4th y dx plus x dy plus, how about this one? Y squared of x dy minus y dx equals to 0. Obviously, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 2. Para maging equation 2, anong i-introduce natin? 1 over x squared. So I'll have 1 over x squared times x to the 4th, x squared times dxy. Transform mo na. Plus y squared of x dy minus y dx over x squared equals to 0. Obviously, this will now become derivative of y over x. Sundan. Kaso, ano to? X squared lang siya. And y squared lang siya. Para mas madali, kompletuhin mo na lang. Times 1 over x squared. Okay? So this will be cancel. Yes? Then dxy plus, eksakto na siya, y over x squared dy over x equals to 0. Then we can now integrate. Pwede na ba? Yes. Integrate xy plus y over x cube over 3 equals to the arbitrary constant c, or this will be xy plus y cube over 3x cube equals to c. We can multiply the entire thing by 3x cube. So I'll have 3x to the fourth y plus y cube equal to cx cube. Tama? Yes. So this will be your final answer. Masusundan po? Sundan? Yes? Try ko na to. For your practice problems, solve the following. For your practice, solve these 3 problems. Okay, solve na lang. Then make an advanced reading on non-exact differential equation with integrating factors found by inspection. Found by formula. Ito medyo mahaba-haba itong susunod. Then meron pa tayong substitution and suggested substitution. Okay? Maaga pa. Mabilis ba? Parang mabilis. Mabilis ba?